Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about stop words in NLP. So while processing natural language, be it in English language or French or German, so how do we process the words? How does system understands the words? Like chatgpt, if you know, like it's a real time example of NLP processing, which process human language, reads it, understands it, and then automatically it sends the response back to customer without any human intervention. So it will be possible only if we correctly understand the human language, natural language. So to understand that language, NLP system has to avoid such words. Those words are known as stop words because those words are very commonly used words within the sentences, but they either will have a very limited understanding to that particular sentence, or it will be kind of no meaning at all in the with respect to the sentence. So even if natural language processing program skip or remove those words while processing, it will not make any difference in understanding the whole sentence. So it will avoid the processing time, as well as it will increase the efficiency of the understanding capability of the system. So what are those stop words which can be easily removed from the system, from the sentence, while processing the sentence words? So these are commonly known words as articles like an, the, conjugations, and prepositions, and few others. So because even though we remove those words from the sentence, so the remaining words meaning will not change a lot. So we can easily remove those words. So that is why NLTK system and Spacey, which are the two main used tools for processing natural language, are having inbuilt feature available that okay, these are the stop words which NLP system can directly skip or remove from the sentence while processing the sentence words. So as we can see, there are 300 words plus words in Spacey, which is nothing but our NLTK natural language processing tool available to process the language. So it is written in it is actually can be done with the help of Python language, as we have seen earlier in other videos. And another tool available for us is NLTK. So if you want to see what are those stop words available in Spacey, so we can do that with the help of few steps. Like first we need to obviously import the Spacey inside the Python program, and then we load the core web module for en English, and this is the small one. That is why the small module sm we have written here. So after loading that module, we are just printing the default stop words, so which comes by default with the Spacey implementation. So it will print us the all the words which are kind of avoided or removed by NLP processing Spacey. And if even if we want to know the number of count, then obviously we can put a length method over there. So it will give us the number of stop words count which are listed, because the way we want to process NLP stop words, sometimes we may want to add few more words to the stop word list which comes by default in the system. So we can do that. We can like if you see step number 6, we are adding a stop word as far as I know, AIK. This is a short term shortcut keyword for any sentence word. So we want to treat this word as a stop word by the system. So we can put is stop is equals to true, because we it is a property of the stop word. Is stop that would be true if we mark if we want system to consider it as a stop word. Even though we can remove the existing stop words by putting it a reverse, like we can do a remove instead of add. We can, in the step number 6, we can call the method remove, so that we can later on, if we want that we want to remove the stop word, we can do that with the help of remove, and is stop would be false in that case. And also the step number 5 shows us if we want to see if you want to verify any stop word, any word is a stop word or not, then we can do that. We can check it with the help of is stop method.